Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Kamrun Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 6, today I am going to take your English class and our today's topic is Assignment 2. That means this is our second assignment which is given from the government, which is given by the government. So today we will discuss assignment number 2 and your assignment is given from lesson 7 and lesson 8. So it's better to take your English for today book in front of you. So all of you take your English for today book in front of you and open lesson 7 and at first, and this is page number 19. So you can take your English for today book. Now we will start our class. And now look, this is your assignment topic. This is your second assignment which is given from lesson 7 and lesson 8. And lesson 7 is about a poem and the name of this poem is Holding Hands. And what is the assignment? Justify the title of the poem Holding Hands. Write at least 5 sentences. So you will write at least 5 sentences. Then you can write more, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 according to your wish. But at least you write 5 sentences. I repeat, at least you will write 5 sentences. And what is the assignment? Justify the title of the poem Holding Hands. Now from lesson 8, grocery shopping. And the assignment is, have you ever visited any grocery shop? Why did you go there and who with? What did you see there? If you are yet to visit such a shop, what are the reasons behind? In that case, narrate any of your shopping experience in 300 words. So there is a limit. You must do this assignment. You must narrate your experience within 300 words. So you will maintain this one. And assessment criteria, what the teacher will check. Teacher will check students' ideas of content, language, organization of writing, spelling, grammar, punctuation. So all of you will be careful regarding this. And your assignment should be related on this topic. So now we will go to lesson 7, that means the poem. And this poem is very easy and it is written by Lenore M. Ling. Holding Hands. At first we will read the poem. Elephants walking along the trails are holding hands by holding tails. Trunks and tails are handy things when elephants walk in circus ring. And when they walk, it never fails. They are holding hands by holding tails. Now look, there is a picture and look at this elephant. Look at these elephants. They are walking, holding hands or holding trunks, right? In a circus, and they walk in a circus and by holding their trunks or holding their tails. So this poem is very easy. It reminds us about our childhood, right? Students, in our childhood we also play like them. We hold the hands of our friends or our parents and we walk together. That means we can say there, when we walk together, we can be successful. And these elephants walk together, that means they never fail. When they walk, it never fails. They walk together by holding hands. That's why they never fail. They do not mess up in the circus. They are successful. Like this, when we stay united, we will succeed for sure. When we will work together and when we will hold the hand of each other, we will be strong. That means unity is strong. United we stand and divided we fall. So this is the main theme of the poem. So dear students, when we are together, when we are united, we will be strong and we will be successful. So this is the main theme of the poem, that means unity is strength. And now we will justify whether the poem is when the title of the poem is suitable for this poem or not. So this is your assignment. That means you will find it out after reading this poem, after go through this poem, whether the title of this poem is suitable for it or not. So you will write at least 5 sentences in your assignment, and if you can write more, it is better for you. Okay, dear students, so what is the main theme of the poem? Unity is strength. When we hold our hands together, we will stronger. We can be successful easily, because we all know that united we stand and divided we fall. So this is the main theme, and it also reminds us about our childhood memories. In our childhood, we also play with our friends or our siblings or our parents like this. We hold our hands and then we walk together, right? So you will focus on this theme and you will justify the title of the poem, and you will write at least 5 sentences. Now we will go to lesson 8, and this is very easy. And lesson 8 is about, this is in page number 21. Now look, lesson 8 is about a grocery shop, and it is Imran's, it is about Imran's. There are 2 conversations. One is Imran, between Imran and his mom, and another one is between Imran and the salesman. So you will go through lesson 8, and then we will do the assignment. You will go through this conversation and take the ideas, and then you can write your answer, and you will narrate your own experience. Now look, have you ever visited any grocery shop? Why did you go there? So have you ever visited any grocery shop? I think all of you have visited grocery shop. And why did you go there, and who with? So why did you go there? Of course you go there, you went there to buy something. So what did you need to buy, and who with? So we will write it, and why did you see there? What did you see there? So what did you see there? You will mention it, and if you were here to visit such a shop, what are the reasons behind? So what are the reasons behind? Why did you go there? So you will narrate it, and within 300 words. So you will share your experience, or you will narrate your experience, shopping experience, in 300 words. So there is a limitation of words. So you will maintain it. Be careful about it. Okay. So at first all of you will go through lesson 7 and lesson 8, then you will do your assignment. And dear students, your assignment should be related, and you will not write anything irrelevant to the topic. Your assignment should be related to the topic. So remember it. And dear students, now look at this cover page. In your first assignment, I have found some mistakes. At first you will write, now look, there is the name of your school, and remember, you are suggested to write the cover page by your hands. And now look, at first you will write the name of your school, then the assignment is started by Directorate of Secondary and Higher Education, then assignment number. Your first one is number 1, now this is the assignment number 2, so you will write here 2, and then subject will be English, not first paper, not second paper, subject will be English, and then you will write the topic. So in short, you can write lesson 1, and you can mention the name of this, title of this lesson, holding hands, then lesson 8, grocery shopping. And then and some of you have written lecture number 16. No, it's not correct. Your topic is not lecture number 16. Okay. So whatever the given topic, you will write here. It is not assignment number, lecture number 16 or 17. You will not write it. And then you will write your name, class, section, row, and shift, and submission date properly. And your submission date is 2011-2020. Now look, there is the submission date. It is given there. You must submit your assignment on this date. I repeat, you must submit your assignment on 22nd November 2020. This is your submission date. So all of you will submit your assignment on this date. And dear students, I repeat, all of you will go through lesson 7 and lesson 8, then you will do your assignment. And the poem holding hands, the main theme of the poem is unity is strength. So we will focus on this theme and then we will do your assignment. That means you will write whether the title of this poem is suitable for this poem or not. That means holding hands, is it suitable title for this poem or not, you will find it out. At least you will write 5 sentences. And in lesson 8, you will narrate your experience, shopping experience within 300 words. So dear students, all of you will do your assignment in white paper, and it's better to use A4 size paper. And dear students, all of you will draw margin and give the page number in your assignment. And be careful while you do the assignment. Try to avoid the spelling mistakes and try to focus on the ideas. You will not write anything irrelevant in your topic. Try to focus on the main idea. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood about today's topic. So see you again. Allah Hafiz.